Hey there, I'm just going to give you a brief walkthrough of how to sign up for this new account that I need you to do. First of all, I need you to be in your Teams Wiser channel. So on the left side of your screen, your channels are listed. I need you to find Wiser. If you don't see it here in the Ready Viewing Channels, you can look in the Hidden Channels by clicking on Hidden Channels, and you can get a list of other channels that are there. When you open the Wiser channel, you will find a link that has been put into the channel for you. I need you to click that link. When you click that link, it'll open Wiser in a new browser for you. You're going to sign in with Google. When you do that, you are using your student email to sign in. Now, I have tried this before, so I have two worksheets. But what I want you to know is when you click that sign in, you've automatically joined my classroom. And when you've done that, you'll see a worksheet, and the worksheet name is right here. You can click on that worksheet and it will open up. When the worksheet opens, there's several parts to this worksheet that are important. First, you need to know that there is a video that you will be watching. So you should have your headphones plugged in. Watch your video, and afterwards, I need you to give me a brief description about what you've learned in 3 to 5 sentences from this video. When you've done that, you can go ahead and get started on reading the relative dating worksheet. As you go through, you'll read it, and then there's questions that you'll need to ask. Not all of these questions will be written out, but the ones that you can write out, if you read the directions under the questions, it says you may record or type your answer. If you have headsets that have a mic on them, you are welcome to record your answer. For those of you in the classroom, most headsets do have a mic on them. If they don't, then do not worry because your computer also has a mic on it. If you keep scrolling down, there is more to read, but this is a brief worksheet. And when you're done, there's a couple more questions that you'll need to do. This last question, you'll have to fill in letters that correlate with the picture on the left. When you're done with the assignment, you can hand the assignment in. If you do not finish by the end of class, it will automatically save your work and you can come back to it at a later date and work on it and then hand it in. So don't worry if you didn't finish because it will sit there and wait for you. I hope this helps you in getting into Wiser, and if you have any questions, please raise a quiet hand and I will be able to come over and help you.